Alright, so my everyday craft drawer is in the top right drawer of my Alex drawer unit. On the left hand side I have an everyday makeup drawer as well. I like to keep them up top and at reach. That way I am actually using my makeup and my craft supplies every single day. I typically like to have my craft drawer as kind of like a theme for the month. So this month's theme is fairies. Now I haven't actually done a themed everyday craft drawer since I've moved, so it's definitely time for me to get that under control. And it's pretty much like a catch-all right now, so I've just kind of thrown everything in here, but I do like to have it a lot more organized. So you're gonna see me organize it all and try and keep it more of a fairy related, like butterflies and rainbows and fun fairy themed. So let's go ahead and show you what's in here now. So let's show you the before unorganized drawer. It's semi-organized. The first box here is a glossy box. I have this filled with a bunch of stuff, journaling cards, some die cuts from Amy Tangerine, Happy Scrappy die cuts, some stickers from Happy Scrappy, tons of stuff in here. Now this I do like to pull from, but I'm going to go through this and pick out a few things just to have in this top drawer. I also have two of these off to the side here. This is like my watermelon pouch that I have like really cute stuff in, a hand sanitizer in here, and then another one back in here, and then this last drawer is filled with a bunch of stuff as well. This is from the Container Store. It has a lot of my stamps, the little stamping ink in here, so I'm going to pull all of this out and organize it and take out all the things that I actually don't want in my everyday drawer and put in things that I'm going to use. And I like to have it a little less cluttered than this so I can see exactly what I want to use for the month. Now the first thing that I like to do is take everything out of the drawer and give it a thorough cleaning, especially since everything in here has been sitting around for a month. I do keep stamps and coloring pencils and stuff like that, so I want to make sure that it is a clean environment. Now the next thing that I like to do is assess what I actually didn't use the month before and see whether or not I will use them this month. Now I have been wanting to try stamping for quite a while now, and I had these at the back of my drawer along with my stamps, but I didn't actually reach for them, so I'm going to try and use them this month. I'm putting them at the front of the drawer this time along with all of my stamps. I do have a lot of them. I don't necessarily know if they're going to be completely like fairy themed, but I felt like I wanted to give it a go anyway and just include every single one of them. That way I'm not like restricted to just using a couple of stamps, especially since I haven't used most of them. I also put some stencils in here as well. I do like using stencils, so I only chose like 2 of them to go along for the month. Now I also have my hand sanitizer here from Chrissy Ann Designs along with my Erin Condren chapstick that I got in the last Erin Condren surprise box. And then I also have my acrylic block for my stamping. I think I got that one from Amanda Phenom a long time ago. It's the only acrylic block that I have, so I am a little bit more restricted to smaller stamps. I'm also just putting in 1 ballpoint pen and a pencil, a pair of scissors, and of course my Erin Condren ruler. And then I'm also going to put in some good old-fashioned Scotch tape because I'm always reaching for tape, along with some bookmarks and coil clips for my Erin Condren. I'm just testing to make sure that the drawer will close because they are a little bit taller. I also grabbed my little washi sample bag. I like to try and choose from my washi samples before I get into my washi drawer. So I chose a bunch of colors that I thought would match this month's theme. I didn't choose a lot of samples, so if I do go through this, of course, I can go through my washi drawer and choose some more washi. If you guys didn't see the declutter of that, I'll leave a little card over here. I also grabbed my cute little watermelon bag. Now in here, I keep a lot of accessories that I like to use with my planner, so lots of binder clips. I have a cute little pair of scissors that I thought I would take out of there there and put in the everyday craft drawer, along with some more bookmarks and large paper clips. Now, I actually reach for all of these paper clips and bookmarks all the time, so I wanted to keep everything up in the everyday craft drawer. I like to use them for photos and for my planner, so I decided to just keep them in the little watermelon bag in the corner here. I also keep one thing of correction tape and an adhesive roller, along with a long measuring tape. Now, I know that I already have my Erin Condon ruler here, but I always seem to need a long measuring tape. I also found this pen loop that I got from PlannerCon last year, and I have been looking for one, so I just grabbed that to put it up top, and I will be using that shortly. And then, of course, I had to grab all of my fairy decal stickers to make sure that I use those this month. I also have been using erasers a lot lately, so I grabbed this large one that I got from Michael's a while ago. It says Happy Camper. I also am putting in a bunch of little die cuts, some journaling cards that I have from Erin Condon, along with die cuts and other little sticker books that I want to use this month. Now, along with those little bits, of course, I have my Use It Up sticker box. Now, this is full of all of my leftover sticker kits. Now, I have all of my fairy stickers sitting right up top from my Believe collection, so I will try and use all of those off first. If I do get through them, then I can reach into the rest of my stash. Now, this is what my everyday craft drawer looks like now. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I organize and choose my everyday craft items. If you guys have any other tips or tricks for us, definitely let us know down below. I always love hearing how you guys go about choosing your craft related items. And if you guys want to see more organization and decluttering videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!